The new Apple Watch Series 7 scratches easily, that's a fact. The screen will pick up scratches as if there's no tomorrow, just from normal use. The crystal used in the Series 7 may be the most crack resistant yet, but that does not mean it is not prone to scratches. Within 2 weeks of normal usage without any form of screen protection, my Series 7 Nike Edition has picked up a lot of scratches on its surface. This was without any rough outdoor activity and fairly careful handling of the watch itself. So having used the Series 6 for over a year and without that being scratched at all, I can confidently say that you need some sort of screen protector or case or bumper with your Series 7. I've had very little luck with screen protectors and cases that cover the entire watch, but a rubber bumper works very well. Unfortunately, it takes away from most of the sophisticated looks of the Apple Watch, but if that's the price you pay for having a scratch-free watch, so be it. This particular bumper is actually made for the Series 6, and that means it's made for the 44mm size, but it still does fit on the Series 7, although it covers the edges of the screen. So that's kind of a stopgap solution until I find a direct replacement for the Series 7. In terms of what you can do if you have a scratched Apple Watch, the options are quite limited. If you have Apple Care Plus, you can exchange the watch for a new one, but it will cost you at least 16,000 rupees in India. That's 8,900 rupees for the Apple Care Plus program and 6,900 rupees as a service fee. And the advice given to me unofficially by the Apple Store was to break the Apple Watch to claim the replacement under Apple Care Plus. That's because scratches come under minor damage and are not covered by the 2 instances of accidental damage that the program otherwise protects you against. You can try using some sort of method to take off the scratches, but you will have very limited luck with this. This material that's used on the crystal of the Apple Watch, once it gets scratched, there's really no getting away from it. You can make some of the lighter scratches less obvious, but that's about it. The deeper ones are there to stay. In other news, some eagle-eyed viewers have pointed out that Apple is selling a fast charger separately for the Series 7 on its website for 2,900 rupees. Although I haven't tested this personally, there are some videos out there that seem to confirm that this charger does indeed offer faster charging with the Apple Watch Series 7. If this is indeed true, I find it a highly unethical practice, especially considering the already higher prices that Apple charges for its products in India. And in any case, it makes for a stronger case to get your Series 7 from a different region, if at all possible. So there you have it. Until Apple releases an outdoorsy version of the Apple Watch, they remain fairly delicate pieces of tech and are best handled as such. So make sure you protect yours in some way or another, otherwise it will cause you a lot of heartbreak. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.